Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to name your stream on OBS or how to change stream title. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So launch your OBS and click on settings, click on stream and click on service, and from here select Twitch and click on connect account and enter here your Twitch account username and password and click on login. Once you're done signing in, a new window will open. Under stream information, find title, type your desired name in the appropriate box and click on done. So that's how you can change stream title on OBS. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.